Hey everybody, it's Scott here. Welcome to Guitar Theory. In this video, we're going over another section of the Berklee Chord Lab. This will be page number 8 of the Berklee Chord Lab. These chords can be referenced in the Berklee Modern Method for Guitar, Volume 1 by William Levitt. The new chords are outlined in the square boxes. The chords that are not outlined were introduced in a previous video. Here are the new chords. G7 sus 4. G7 sus 4. That is a full bar at the 3rd fret, adding my 3rd finger on the 5th string 5th fret, pinky on the 3rd string 5th fret. G7 sus 4. E minor 7. E minor 7. That is a bar at the 5th fret on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings, adding your 3rd finger on the 5th string 7th fret, pinky on the 3rd string 7th fret. E minor 7. E minor 7 flat 5. E minor 7 flat 5 is just change your 3rd finger to your 2nd finger at the 6th string 6th fret, 1st finger's on a bar at the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings at the 5th fret, pinky's on the 3rd string 7th fret. E minor 7 flat 5. A7 sus 4. A7 sus 4. That is a full bar at the 5th fret, adding your 3rd finger on the 5th string 7th fret, pinky on the 3rd string 7th fret. D minor 7. D minor 7. Barring at the 3rd fret on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings, adding your 3rd finger on the 5th string 5th fret, pinkies on the 3rd string 5th fret. D minor 7. D minor 7 flat 5. D minor 7 flat 5. That is barring at the 3rd fret on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings, 2nd fingers on the 6th string 4th fret, pinkies on the 3rd string 5th fret. D minor 7 flat 5. G7 sus 4. G7 sus 4. That is a full bar at the 3rd fret, adding your pinky on the 5th string 5th fret, 3rd fingers on the 3rd string 5th fret, and G7 sus 4. The chord progressions start in the key of C and they cycle through the key of D, the key of E flat, and the key of F major. The Roman numerals tell you what position to play the chords in. Here's the first one starting on C. C major 7 at the 3rd fret. G7 sus 4 at the 3rd fret. G7 at the 3rd fret. E minor 7 at the 5th fret. E minor 7 flat 5 at the 5th fret. A7 sus 4 at the 5th fret. A7 at the 5th fret. D minor 7 at the 3rd fret. D minor 7 flat 5 at the 3rd fret. G7 sus 4. G7 at the 3rd fret. C major 7 at the 3rd fret. D flat 9 at the 3rd fret. C9 6 at the 2nd fret. Here's the next one starting on D. D major 7 at the 5th fret. A7 sus 4 at the 5th fret. A7 at the 5th fret, F sharp minor 7 at the 7th fret, F sharp minor 7 flat 5 at the 7th fret, B7 sus 4 at the 7th fret, B7 at the 7th fret, E minor 7 at the 5th fret, E minor 7 flat 5 at the 5th fret, A7 sus 4, A7 still at the 5th fret, D major 7 at the 5th fret, E flat 9 at the 5th fret, D9 6 at the 4th fret. Here's the next one, starting on E flat. E flat major 7 at the 6th fret, B7 sus 4 at the 6th fret, B7 at the 6th fret, G minor 7 at the 8th fret, G minor 7 flat 5 at the 8th fret, C7 sus 4 at the 8th fret, C7 at the 8th fret, F minor 7 at the 6th fret, F minor 7 flat 5 at the 6th fret, B flat 7 sus 4 at the 6th fret, B flat 7 at the 6th fret, E flat major 7 at the 6th fret, E9 at the 6th fret, E9 6 at the 5th fret. And here's the last one, starting on F. F major 7 at the 8th fret, C7 sus 4 at the 8th fret, to C7 at the 8th fret, A minor 7 at the 10th fret, A minor 7 flat 5 at the 10th fret, D7 sus 4 at the 10th fret, D7 at the 10th fret, G minor 7 at the 8th fret, G minor 7 flat 5 at the 8th fret, C7 sus 4 at the 8th fret, C7 still at the 8th fret, F major 7 at the 8th fret, G flat 9 at the 8th fret, F9 6 at the 7th fret. Here's the whole page. Here's the whole page. Good luck. Have fun. Thank you very much.